The roofing company just left. I had the homeowner sit on my ladder right there, perched up, and I pointed out, this is a red flag to me. 2 missing shingles, one of them sun bleached. Looks like it's been there for a while. This one's very fresh. Zoom in, I got granulars from when I touched this part. You can see it's ripped. That does not look like it was from a storm a couple of weeks ago. Those granulars would not be sitting there like that, nice and fresh. To me, that looks mechanical. This one's sun bleached. Come over here. Got this pre-shingle. No debris or no, what do you call it? Pollen, dirt underneath of it. There's another one, maybe. Nope. That's my opinion on what I'm seeing down here.